In this lesson, we'll be talking about the prepositions of place. Let's start with sur. Sur means on. So if I want to say, for example, the cat is on the box, I would say le chat est sur la boîte. Le chat being the cat and la boîte being the box. The next one is sous. Sous means under. So to say the cat is under the table, we need to say le chat est sous la table. To say in, we use the word dans. So if our little cat is in the basket, we need to say le chat est dans le panier. Le panier being the basket. Devant is the word we use to say in front of. So the cat is in front of the basket would be le chat est devant le panier. The next one we have is derrière. Derrière means behind. So if the cat is behind the basket, we should say le chat est derrière le panier. The word entre means between. So if our little friend here is between the baskets, we should say le chat est entre les paniers. Then we have à droite, for on the right. Le chat est à droite de la boîte, meaning the cat is on the right of the box. Then we have à gauche. À gauche means on the left. Le chat est à gauche de la boîte. The meaning is the cat is on the left of the box. And the last preposition we'll be covering today is à côté de, which means next to. So with the sentence le chat est à côté de la voiture, we are saying that the cat is next to the car. So we have an exercise for you now to practice a bit what we've learned in this lesson. All you need to do is to complete the 3 following sentences with the correct words. The answers will be displayed after a few seconds, so obviously if you need more time you can pause the video. Alright, so the first sentence should be le chat est derrière la maison, dans le jardin. Second sentence, le chien est devant la maison, à côté de la voiture. And the last one, le ballon est sous la voiture et le pigeon est sur le toit.